Echo. Continue giving you a bath. Crazy cat.
Am I clean now? Nope, I'm still dirty.
Echo. That's really a hard job. How about you? Your eyes was closed while doing it. How long are you gonna do that? Echo, you've been doing that for 5 minutes now, or so. Your hair is soaking wet. Oh, God. I'll try to move him away. Watch. You're done?
I'm clean now.
How much hair he ate
Oh,
already?
I'm dirty again.
That's it. Look. Oh my goodness. You should see your hair like it all goes together like it's full of cat spit. I don't think you have to do after this you have to go and wash your head, baby.
I'm going to.
Oh, lots of protein in your hair now. Oh, say bye, Echo. You're silly cat. Say bye.